Okay, hello everyone, this is Goodison Gamer and welcome to this video of International Karate Plus on the Commodore Amiga from 1988, and this is a game request by John Gage on YouTube. So this will be pretty fun actually, because I remember the first International Karate on the Commodore 64 and it was a classic game. We played it a lot when I was a kid back in the 80s, so let's check out this Plus version here. Okay, so I play this character in white here, and I'm not so good at the controls, so I will learn along the way, perhaps. But I'm in the lead now, and there is a time limit up to the right. I don't really even know how to turn around actually, so... Shit, come on. I'm still in the lead, I think. No. Yes, I won there. Cool. Yeah, it's a tricky game. It has many moves and tricks, and I'm not so good at the aiming, so piss off. Come on, get up. I will lose this one probably. Shit. Yes. 5 seconds to go. Oh no, shit. Can I make this? I stays in. Okay. Okay, so now I need to protect myself here. Oh shit, yeah, didn't do so good. Okay, let's fight again here. The AIs will be more intelligent and better now, so it will be tricky. Aha. Let's try a low kick. Shit. Get up. Oh shit, I'm in trouble now. Get up. Yeah, white is out. Yeah, it's getting tough very fast actually. Okay, yeah. Let's try again. Aha, have that. I don't have so much variations to my kicks, but I don't know what to do, so what can I do? Come on, it's over. Yes, I won. I should try to be better at the low kicks now. Come on. Yeah. Yes, I made it. Come on, get up. Yes, I won. Deflect. Oh, okay, it's this one again. Oh shit. Come on. Yeah, doing a little bit better now. Shit. Yes, doing a lot better now. Oh shit. Ooh. Ay. Okay, let's fight again here. Oh shit, now it will be... Yeah. This will be my last try for today. Yeah, they are kicking my ass big time now. Equal second place. Okay, let's try again. One last fight. Come on. Let's do a low kick. Yeah, there you go, 200 points. Get up, lousy bastards. Haha, yes. Oh shit, come on, that... I'll kick your ass for that. Oh shit. Oh no, we probably lose this one. Time is up. Aye, I won. I won again. So there you go, that was International Karate Plus. So, yeah, it's 7 out of 10 for this one. Great game. It needs a little bit of practice to master it, because there are a lot of kicks and punches to learn. It looks great, plays good, great music. So it's a 7 out of 10 for this one. So there you go, have a good one. Goodbye.